Good morning, guys, and welcome back. So today I have a ton of cleaning to get done. I've been slacking off. I did like a really big deep clean about a week and a half ago. And I kind of been doing like little touch-ups here and there, but today I need to do another one of those little touch-ups. So come along with me as I do my daily cleaning routine. Before we get going, I want to let you guys know that I'm going to be actually going backwards from what I normally do. I'm going to be starting my master bedroom, working my way to my living room, into the dining area, to the kitchen, into the front living room. I'm going to actually go through and sprinkle carpet fresh on my rugs first, just to make sure I get them all, you know, give it some time to set in before I go in and vacuum it out. So yeah, let's inspect the damage. So here is my master right now, you guys. I hadn't fixed my beds or anything with the ones running away. There's my gallon of water. I've been really on my water today. But yeah, let's get it cracking. Hello everyone. I realized I did not say this earlier in the video, but welcome if you are new here. My name is Jazz. I am a mother of one little bitty man. I do everything motherhood, lifestyle, and occasionally a little bit of beauty, depending on if I can pull it off. I want to welcome you to this video, and I hope you stick around and come back for a little bit more. So I'm starting this video actually by rotating my mattress, you guys. I don't know if anybody else does this, but I typically rotate it every few months or so because one end of it always seems to be more used than the other. Here's me just kind of making the bed, and as you guys saw, if anybody else struggle with it, let me know in the comments if you struggle with putting your fitted sheet on the wrong way. I typically put it on wrong and then I have to go back and fix it, but once I get the bed made up, you guys, I feel like my morning has started and I'm ready to tackle everything else for the rest of the day. I'm just gonna get everything made up in here, get my little one's bed made up, and I'm gonna head out into the living room. As you guys saw before, I put some carpet fresh down, the Hawaiian breeze, in our bedroom today, and I'm vacuuming it up because if you do not, guys, that smell will stay and it is strong. So I vacuum often, as well as dust. You guys, dust collects here like crazy. I mean, it's been like 4 days since I dusted last, and my dresser looks like I've been letting it sit for 3 months. I don't understand it. Now that my master is done, let's get into the living room, you guys. I have been doing more sweeping than vacuuming when it comes to these spaces, as sometimes the vacuum doesn't want to get up the bigger things. And it's just easier to sweep. So I'm dropping a little bit of carpet fresh in here as well, you guys. I'm moving the couch out the way. I typically do this once or twice a week as well, just because my son likes to purposefully throw things under the couch. I do not know why, but it's just a thing of his. Once I get that cleaned out from underneath everything, I'm going to go ahead and get my vacuuming done before I put the furniture back. I am going to wipe things down and dust in here as well. I am not steam mopping in this video, but I will leave the link to my steam mop, you guys. It's just hot water that kills the bacteria and the germs. There are no chemicals involved at all, and I love that little steam mop, you guys. It was very inexpensive, so I'll put it down below as well. But I'm going to go ahead and get everything vacuumed, cleaned up, and wiped down. So I'm not steam mopping today because I've done it once this week. I typically do it once or twice. I want to say a month actually, unless it's really muddy and rainy outside. Otherwise, I don't do it as often. So I'm going to go ahead and finish out this room before moving on to the next area of my home. So my dining room today was the activity area, and it has been for the last few days, which is why there's so much stuff on it. So I'm going to get it cleared off before getting it wiped down. That's pretty much all I have to do in my dining area, is get everything kind of reset, wiped down, sweep the floor, things like that. So it doesn't typically take me much of any time to get it done in here. next work area is my kitchen, you guys. This typically becomes the catch-all when you walk in the door. Everybody wants to drop everything on the counters. My husband doesn't feel like he has to put things in the sink, so he just kind of lays it on top of the counter. It's really awkward, but it's okay. I get it cleaned up anyways. You guys see my little helper is here today. He likes helping me do the dishes and unload the dishwasher. Anything that he can do to help with chores, he wants to do it because he's a big boy and big boys help. So we can get the dishwasher unloaded, reloaded, get the counter wiped, get the counters, there it is, wiped down, get the floor swept and things like that, and get this place reset as well. For those of you wondering why my son's art is on the dishwasher, it's because for some reason the magnets don't stick to my fridge. Let me know if you have the same issue at your house. Alrighty everyone, so my house is now completely cleaned up, straightened up, and ready for us to destroy again. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you are new here, thank you guys so much for sticking through to the end. If you're an oldie but goodie, thank you for sticking to the end. You guys are the absolute greatest, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye everybody.